favorite book to read and learn from, whether it's related to maintenance reliability or whether it's totally off?
Yeah, I would say one of the ones that I've been really promoting recently, and I actually used it like in a reliability kickoff, was Making Common Sense Common Practice. Very good reference book around just all aspects of continuous improvement to reliability. But one of the ones that I really like is Good to Great. You know, it just really talks about a lot of opportunities that you have like within your teams and how you can apply like these principles around just making your organization and the teams that you work with more effective. I've always preferred those books versus like, you know, like romance novels and nonfiction. Because I would say I learn a lot from it, you know, and I've done one of those personality things, you know, the strengths finder and all of that. And for me, I'm a big learner. And just like when I was a brand new supervisor, I needed to learn about maintenance. I always, you know, continue to just focusing on myself and learning more about, you know, reliability and different industries, you know, and, you know, even learning a lot now that I've, you know, I was in food and beverage for like 15 years and now I'm in a completely new industry and still feel I have a lot to learn here as well.